Wow, that looks delicious.
Oh! Hi! Hi! Welcome back to my channel. I am Dragon Eye. Now, I will be making today Caldo de Chamorro. And if you want to know my recipe, well, then you're in the correct channel. Also, if you like the recipe that I provide, please give me a like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. So in English, the meat is called beef shank. In Spanish, it's called chamorro de res. And I will be making it in a soup. It's a Mexican cuisine, and it's very delicious, especially during winter time or when rainy season. You will need 1 potato. I also got carrots. Okay, you will also need 3 tomatoes. So in your recipe, you will be using carrots, you will be using garlic, you will be using onion, you will be using corn, you will be using squash. So I bought epazote. Okay, you will need chayote. And obviously when our soup is done, we will be eating it with tortillas, okay? Obviously any tortilla that you like to eat. So you're going to season your soup. You're going to use salt and pepper and other seasoning that you would like to use. So you're going to rinse your meat, and you're going to boil your meat for approximately 3 hours. The more you boil it, the better, because the beef shank will be softer, more looser, and easier to eat.
Okay, right now I will add garlic and onion to my pot filled with beef shank. Don't forget to wash your vegetables before putting them inside the pot. I will then add corn because corn takes a good while to cook. Okay, I will then boil my beef shank with the corn for approximately 1 hour before I add the vegetables. Again, remember, the corn takes longer to cook. That's the reason why I am boiling the corn first with the beef shank. Next, I will cut my vegetables, and then once I cut all my vegetables, I will put them in the pot for approximately 40 minutes. You would like to cut your vegetables in squares because this is going to be a soup. You don't want your vegetables to be big pieces because it's going to be hard to eat and it's going to take longer to cook. Now I am cutting the potato. And I will then proceed with cutting the potato into small squares. It is optional to peel off the skin from the potato. That's what I decided to do, but it's not necessary. Okay, next I am adding the vegetables inside the pot while the pot is boiling. Once I have fully peeled off the skin from the carrots, I will then cut the carrots into small dices. And once they're cut, they are ready to go inside the pot.
Luna! Ahí está para tu ruta. Under the couch.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Oh!
This is how my caldo de chamorro turned out. I hope you liked the recipe. I hope you liked how it turned out. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Have a great day!
Delicious.